In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the homepage in Teachable. If you're building or refreshing your online school, the homepage is the front door your visitors walk through. In just a couple of clicks, you can get to Teachable's visual editor and start shaping that first impression. I'll walk you through exactly where to go, what you'll see, and a few helpful cues so you feel confident as you work. First, sign into your Teachable admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Site section. This is where all your branding, navigation, and public-facing pages live. Click Site, then select Pages. The Pages area acts like your page library, listing everything from your home page to About, Contact, and any custom pages you've created. If you manage multiple pages, you can scan the list or use the search to find what you need quickly. You'll see an item labeled Home. This is the main landing page for your school, and it's what visitors see at your root website address. To start editing it, find the Edit icon next to the homepage listing. It typically looks like a small pencil. Click that and Teachable will open the visual page editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice two main areas. On the left, there's a panel that represents the structure of your homepage in stacked sections. On the right, you'll see a live preview of how your page looks. As you select different sections in the left panel, the corresponding area highlights on the right, so you always know exactly what you're working on. From here, you can adjust text, images, and layout elements right in the context. If your theme supports it, you can show featured courses, add testimonials, or fine-tune your hero section to clearly communicate who your school serves and what learners can expect. Keep your headlines clear and action-focused, and make sure your call to action button is easy to spot. Consistency matters too. Align your homepage colors, fonts, and imagery with the rest of your brand so everything feels cohesive. As you tweak content, use the editor's preview to check spacing, readability, and how your message flows from top to bottom. A simple structure works best. A clear headline, a brief value statement, a visual or two, social proof, and a direct path to browse courses or sign up. When you're satisfied, you can return to the Pages area at any time to revisit the home listing and refine further. That's all it takes to access Teachable's page editor and open your homepage for updates. You're now ready to shape a welcoming, effective first impression for your school.